Derrière ces façades de tours scintillantes, des signes me rappellent à chaque instant que la ville s'est construite en plein désert. Profitant d'une longue escale, je ne pouvais pas repartir sans avoir foulé à nouveau les sables du désert de ma jeunesse et la montrer aux enfants.
So normally we on road we using 35 psi. So when we starting the drive on the dunes, we need to reduce the air 15 psi, so we can get more traction from the sand. That's why we deflating all the tires. There we go. And this is we have the gauge and the valve opener. We don't want to use the GPS, but we have GPS in my car, but
Yes.
I don't want to use here.
But you have the GPS in your mind.
Yeah, in my mind. And if
in
there is
your-
any emergency, I can definitely use the GPS.
Okay.
All right. And this is a national tree of UAE. This gulf tree. Yeah. There's not growing any flower, no any fruits, just leaves. Yeah. Yeah. Just camels are eating these leaves. Yeah. And this is very common in this spot. In the Arabian desert, yeah, you can see many.
Quand je vivais ici, adolescente, la ville n'existait pratiquement pas. Presque tout était le désert, comme ici. Nous venions après les cours, car le désert est le meilleur des anti-stress.
Yeah, this is a camel farm. This is belonging by one of the Bedouin guy, and they're using now for the camels milk and meat. Yeah, the camel meat Arabs are not using regular. They just occasionally they're using camel meat. They're eating camel meat like a marriage or functions. They're eating camel meat. Regular they're using like a chicken and lamb. दो साल हो गया?
नहीं 6 साल हो गया.
It's a 6 years old camel.
Is this camel running the race?
No, this is not a running on.
Il n'y avait pas grand-chose à faire à Dubaï autrefois. Et nous passions nos dimanches à assister aux courses de dromadaires.
पैसा बेचने का लिए, पैसा ज्यादा बेचने का लिए.
दूध के लिए रखा हुआ है?
हाँ, दूध के लिए,
दूध के लिए, गोश्त के लिए.
दूध का लिए, गोश्त का लिए.
Yeah, they're keeping for milk and meat. Really helping for the people. The back in time, they're really using for the transportation. So most of people are like a nomadic Bedouins. They're not staying any single place. They're always moving with the camel caravans. All the stuffs keep the camel, and also they're traveling with the camel. And the most important, camel can smell the water. They can smell the oasis. The people are using for camel for that also.
Yes.
They just find out the oasis with the camel. No, Not. Actually, is really friendly with the people.
Yes,
Yeah.
are friendly.
Yeah, they're
Yes.
friendly. Not always not aggressive.
They don't kick you with their feet? Or?
In my experience, I wouldn't see. But people are saying camel is biting. Yeah, they're biting. But I wouldn't see that. We have the riding camel in the touristy area. Really, there's a camels for riding. That's really friendly with the people. If you want, you can touch this camel. They're saying camel is biting, but I wouldn't see. Not in my experience.
My name is Ahmed. I have 30 camels. I have baby, I have for the race, and also for ride camels, like this one and the other one. This one, it is 10 years, and this one also female camels. And that one, it is 8 years, this one male. Well, this one mark, when you see this one, anyone in Oman, when they see it, they know it is for that family.
When you sell the camel, do they change the mark?
Yeah, the guide for him, they change. If they want to change, they can change, or they can keep it like this. But better for change, because maybe other one, they sell it him, they maybe take them, or everything like this. Guide for maybe have this one mark, and they see it in other side, maybe they bring him for my family. I give for him dates and some grass from village, and also like the food, small food like horse food also. They don't eat meat, they just eat the grass, which grass have in the desert, green grass, they eat it.
Les bons dromadaires ne restent pas longtemps dans les fermes et sont très tôt repérés et rapidement aiguillés vers les champs de course. L'entraînement des dromadaires commence dès l'âge de 1 an. Mais ils ne participent pas aux courses avant l'âge de 2 ans car leurs os et leur musculature ne sont pas complètement développés.
There is no racing today, just practicing. They just give practicing to the camel. So once they start the racing, there's no jockeys on the camel. They're just fixing robots on the camel.
Les petits bras du robot, en forme de baguette, s'actionnent et donnent des coups de cravache et de klaxon pour les faire accélérer. Ils sont pilotés depuis le bord de piste par des spécialistes du joystick, eux-mêmes aux ordres des propriétaires placés en tribune. Ces robots sont équipés de capteurs pour surveiller et transmettre la vitesse, mais aussi prendre la fréquence cardiaque car il faut gérer leur effort pendant la course. Dans ma jeunesse, les jockeys étaient de très jeunes enfants afin de réduire la charge pour le dromadaire et accroître sa vitesse. Mais il y a eu des accidents et cette pratique a cessé. Les Émirats ont depuis conçu des robots très légers pour remplacer les enfants.
Camel's maximum speed is 40 km/h. Racing camel running 40 km/h speed.
L'islam interdit les paris. Et les gagnants sont récompensés par des sponsors qui offrent des lots comme des voitures de luxe, Mercedes, Range Rover ou de très grosses sommes d'argent. Aux Émirats, cette passion des dromadaires qui s'est emparée des notables n'est pas si folle que ça. C'est un moyen de recycler l'argent du pétrole parmi les Bédouins. En créant cette industrie de l'élevage du dromadaire de course, ils fixent les Bédouins à la lisière de la ville, en préservant leurs traditions et en leur assurant un minimum de revenus. Il y aura toujours quelqu'un qui verra courir le dromadaire d'un Bédouin et l'achètera pour une somme coquette, avec l'espoir d'en faire un vainqueur.